one is aging based on due date or invoice date. Now, for an example, when you are creating customer, you can enter credit period for that customer. Okay. From here, you can add a customer. You can enter credit period for here, due date for payment. And now, if you run aging based on due date, system will consider that invoice plus that. Now for here, for an example, I'll enter 30 days for that credit period. Now, if you select invoice dates, when you are generating the aging analysis, it's calculate the correct actual number of days. But if you select run aging based on due date, and then system will calculate age analysis as invoice days plus this due date. For an example, if you are enter any invoice 1st of January and your credit period is 30 days, and for aging analysis it will calculate from 31st of January, because you have 30 days due date for that invoice. But if you select this run aging based on invoices, system will calculate outstanding from 1st of January. Okay, there are two options. First one, invoice days. If you select this option, system will calculate actual days from the for an example, first to invoice 1st of January you invoice, then system will calculate it will calculate number of days from 1st of January. And if you select run aging based on due date, now if you are giving any credit period, for this example we have given 30 days, system will calculate age analysis from 30th January. Okay, you have invoice 1st of January and you have 30 days credit period, system will calculate age analysis from 30th January. Okay, there are two options. Mostly companies use invoice date, but if you want to consider that credit period, customer credit period, and generate the report, you can select due date. Or if you want to get age analysis as actual invoice date, then you can select this invoice date. Okay, are we clear? First, if you tick on this monthly, system will calculate end of that particular calendar month. But if you are untick this option, system will calculate from actual number of days. And if you are generating the age analysis, there are two options, invoice date and due date. If you select invoice date, it will not consider that credit period of that customer. And if you select due date, system will generate the report considering that number of credit period days. Okay, according to your company requirement, you can change these settings. If you have any questions, you can ask. Okay, next we will move to personal information. Now, actually, this is only requirement due to Data Protection Act. From here, you can select number of days, number of years, your retention period, that customer supplier details, and you can select how many years you are keeping that customers or suppliers data, and you can enter a reason why you are keeping these details. So it's you can select any number of days, and also after this particular period also you can increase that number of years, and nothing will happen to your saved data. This is only due to Data Protection Act, and you can select any number of years, and you can enter any reason for why you are keeping years. Normally in Sri Lanka, I think 5 years we need to keep all records. So you can select here, if you want, you can select 5 years, and you can enter reason as audit. And if you want keep more period, you can select 10 years and you can enter reason. This is only because of Data Protection Act. Okay, then we will move to tax settings. If you are a tax registered company, you can select that invoice based GST, and if you are a not tax registered company, you can select no tax. Then all tax will be disappear. From here, if you are a tax registered company, for demo purposes, for training purposes, I select this invoice based GST,